Description: BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium 1.5 Texturizing Crimper tool is designed with 8 tooth plates to add volume to any style or create a look with tons of texture. Benefits: this crimper is easy to use, with 5 inches extended plates for faster styling and 50 heat settings up to 450 F. Suggested use: to add volume to any style, separate the top layer of hair, and crimp 1 sections underneath at the root. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. I have very straight hair. I bought this to give my hair some lift at the roots. So far, I've used it most to give my hair a little lift when wearing a headband to get a retro 1960s look.